Saxena is also joining into the conversation. Mr. Nair, I just want to start by first asking you the rationale behind going in for an SPV with Mahindra & Mahindra. We spoke to a couple of analysts just as that press release was going out, and people on the street were quite confused. Why an SPV? What's in it for Tech Mahindra?
Look, firstly, let me apologize. I can't talk for long because I have a very hoarse throat, as you will understand.
Okay.
Essentially, it is to get a fair amount of synergies. Pininfarina is a company which deals with designing. We are involved in it. As you know, we work for multiple automobile companies, Volvo, you name them, Volvo, Toyota, Nissan, Volkswagen,
Right.
You name them, we work for them. And therefore, some of that expertise is of great use to us. Other is designing. And, as you know, M&M is a rather significant player in automobiles, so it helps them. However, the control will be entirely ours. We will have the management control, and M&M will be a preferred client, considering the fact that we own it, and that's a sister company. So I think I thought the rationale was pretty obvious, frankly, because this is one company which will serve M&M and it will serve us and serve globally.
Okay, Vineet, Kritika here. Thank you so much for speaking to us first. I wanted to understand the overall amount that you're paying to acquire 100%, including the rights issue, including the open offer, comes up to be approximately 53 million euros. How much will Tech Mahindra bear off this? How much will Tech Mahindra pay? How much will M&M pay? And can you give me a breakup, the corporate guarantee of about 114 million euros? Who bears this guarantee?
So this guarantee is being borne by us, and we have no problem about it being discharged. So by and large, our investment is around this amount. And as I said, 40% is M&M and 60% is us.
Okay, so the 114 million euros will be borne by Tech Mahindra. I wanted to just understand, as Urbi asked, the basic rationale. You get the designing capability, you get the technology capability. How will the synergies work between Mahindra & Mahindra and Tech Mahindra, sir? And how will that pan out exactly over the next few years?
Well, basically the synergies we are looking at is essentially the way I view it is, and I think so does Mahindra Automobiles, is that we are the real design house, and M&M will be a preferred client. But that doesn't mean that we will not work for BMW or Mercedes or all the other automobile companies with which Pininfarina is working now. So they were having certain liquidity crunch, as is obvious, and we provided the liquidity, and I think we see a fair amount of future.
Mr. Nair, so if I heard you correctly there, is this then a bit of a strategic, decision to try and tap into the marquee client base of this Italian company and therefore, make those very strong inroads, further deeper inroads into some of these marquee auto brands? And also, if I could just supplement that, I believe the company is a loss-making company. So immediately speaking, is this going to be an EPS, negative acquisition for Tech Mahindra?
Yeah, but again, I do believe that a fair amount of that work, especially the engineering work, can come to India. So yes, if you look at next 2 quarters, perhaps yes, you're right. Okay. It's going to be negative. But then that is consistent with our strategy so far. We buy companies which are not doing great. We mend them, we bring in synergies, we bring in our capabilities, and we move forward with that.
So just to clarify...
So that's not new.
Okay, sir. So Vineet, just to clarify, after 4 quarters is when this deal will be EPS accretive for Tech Mahindra. What about M&M? That is the same timeline will apply for M&M as well.
Yeah, that is our anticipation at this point of time.
Okay. Also in terms of, I wanted to get some more clarity on the corporate guarantee. It's a 114 million euro corporate guarantee. The debt, if I'm correct, Vineet, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, the last reported debt was 53 million euros roughly. So why give a corporate guarantee? Is that something that the clients have asked for or the investors have asked for? Okay, I think we lost the line over there. A lot of unanswered question there, but